5th of July 2025. The Headmaster, KD Government High School, Nowgown. Subject: Prayer for Transfer Certificate. Dear Sir, with due respect and beg to state that I am a student of Class 8 at your school. My father is a government employee. Recently he has been transferred from Nowgown to Rajshahi. Our family have already shifted there. I have to join new school there. So I need a transfer certificate. Therefore, pray and hope that you would be kind enough to issue me a transfer certificate and oblige thereby. Yours obediently, Farik Ahmed. Class 8. Roll number 1.